With more and more people accessing websites using mobile devices, it can be quite difficult to make sure your website serves the right content to whichever device your visitors are viewing your website from. But the latest recent release from Divi allows us to design totally different experiences to visitors that visit your website using mobile devices as compared to those that visit your website using desktops. So what I'll be doing this weekend is I'm going to be doing a live workshop where I'll be showing you how to turn your website into a mobile responsive friendly website. And also this can be applied to your existing websites or even a website that you're going to build in the future. So these tips are crucial because, as you know, there are more people now accessing websites using mobile devices as compared to desktops. So you want to make sure that each and every visitor has a optimized experience when they visit your website. The tool that we'll be using is called Divi. So if you haven't bought Divi yet, the link to that is in the video description below. And if you buy Divi using my affiliate link, you'll also get access to my bonuses, which are courses that teach you how to build professional looking websites. Looking forward to the live workshop. So go ahead, save your spot. There's only 100 spots. So make sure that you sign up for the live workshop. You'll also be able to ask me questions throughout the whole session, so be sure not to miss it. See you soon.